Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through the setup and usage of TechfiAutoclicker. But before we dive in, I need to share an important update. I had originally planned to release this autoclicker earlier, and I recorded a video for it. I coded the autoclicker in Python, but to protect the source code, I decided to convert the Python file into a exe file. After building it into a exe file, I tested it on a couple of servers, and guess what? The servers banned me right away because they detected the exe file. But here's the thing, when I used the Python source code directly, I tested it for over a month, and not a single server could detect it. That's why I decided to re-record this new video, where I'll show you the real Python source code and release that instead. The specialty of TechfiAutoclicker is that it's anti-ban and undetectable by servers when you use the Python file. So let's get started with the setup. First, you need to download the zip file. I've hosted it publicly on GitHub, and the link is in the description and pinned comment below. Click the link to download the zip file. Once it's downloaded, move the zip file to your desktop. Now, right-click on the zip file and extract it using WinRAR software, or any extraction tool you prefer. After extracting, you'll see a folder named Autoclicker version 1. Open that folder, and inside, you'll find two files, Autoclicker and requirements. Don't try to open the Autoclicker file yet because Python isn't installed on your system. Let's install Python first. For your ease, I've directly attached the link to Python 3.12 in the description below, so you can download it from there. Open that link and scroll down and select the file according to your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Wait for the installer to download. Once the installer is downloaded, open the Python installer file. An interface will appear with two options at the bottom. Ignore the first option and focus on the second one. Add Python exe to system path. Make sure to click the checkbox. After checking, click Install. The Python installer will take a few moments, and then Python will be installed on your system. Now that Python is installed, go back to the Autoclicker folder. Open that folder in File Explorer, right-click on a blank space inside the folder, and choose the option Open in Terminal. This will open the folder in the terminal. Since most of you are gamers and might not know much about using the terminal, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've added a command in the description and pinned comment. The command is pip install requirements.txt. Just copy that command, paste it into the terminal, and press enter. This will install all the modules needed to run the Python file. It might take a couple of minutes, so hang tight while the modules install. Once the modules are installed, close the terminal. Now, go back to the Autoclicker folder in File Explorer. Right-click on the Autoclicker file and select Open with Python. This will launch the GUI-based app, and you'll see a window pop up. Awesome! TechfiAutoclicker is now running. Let's set it up. First, in the Autoclicker tab, you'll see text fields for left-click CPS and right-click CPS. CPS stands for clicks per second. Let's set left-click CPS to 20 and right-click CPS to 30. You can adjust these based on your needs. Next, go to the Autoclicker Settings tab in the sidebar. Here, I recommend turning on the Enable Status Overlay option. This overlay shows the status of your clicks, like whether left-click or AD simulation is on or off. It's super helpful while you're learning to use the Autoclicker. Once you're comfortable, you can turn it off. In this tab, you'll also see an option to Enable Randomization. This randomizes the click speed slightly, which can be useful for certain applications, like gaming. It's your choice whether to turn it on. I will leave it off for now. Now, let's set up the key bindings. Go to the Keybinds tab. Here, you can assign keys to toggle left-click, right-click, and AD simulation. Let's start with left-click. Click the Assign Key button next to toggle left-click. You'll see the text change to Press a Key. Now, press a key on your keyboard. Let's use the Z key for left-click. Do the same for right-click, click Assign Key, and press the Tab key. And for AD simulation, let's use the Backtick key. A quick tip: avoid using these bound keys for other tasks while the Autoclicker is running, as it will trigger the clicks and might cause chaos on your system. That's another reason to keep the status overlay on. It helps you see when the clicks are active. Now, go back to the Autoclicker tab and click Start Autoclicker. If any clicks are toggled on by default, you can turn them off using the keys we just bound: Z for left click, Tab for right click, and Backtick for AD simulation. Before using the Autoclicker in a real application, let's test it. Open your browser and search for left CPS test. Open any website from the results in the first tab. Then, add a second tab and search for right CPS test, and open another website. Now, toggle the left click by pressing Z and test it on the left CPS test site. Then, toggle the right click with Tab and test it on the right CPS test site. You should see the CPS values match what we set: 20 for left click and 30 for right click. Now that we've tested it, let's use the Autoclicker in Minecraft. Launch Minecraft and join a world or server. With the Autoclicker still running, you can toggle left click with Z to automate actions like attacking and killing players, or toggle AD simulation with Backtick to automate movement for breezily bridging. And that's it. You've now set up and learned how to use TechfiAutoclicker. Whether you're testing CPS, automating tasks, or using it in Minecraft, this tool makes it super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Grab the Autoclicker from the link in the description or pinned comment, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. See you in the next video.